thank you for being here. I'm Cody, the founder of Montarbo Skincare, and in today's quick video, I'm going to show you how to use our Lactic Brightening Treatment so you can get the best result. This is an incredible product that we use on 99% of our clients to prep the skin and to help the skin to become a little brighter and to exfoliate it before we do the main solution. Using this 3 times a week would be sufficient for you. You could use it less, you can use it more if you feel like you're more advanced. But if you're really sensitive, you could also just use it once a week or every couple times a week. I know that seems like a lot of information, but you need to get in the habit of knowing your skin and what it needs in the moment. So it'll help to brighten pigmentation, exfoliate the skin, help with blemishes, help to clear out the follicle and the pore. It also helps with hydration because lactic acid is a little bit of a humectant, so it plumps up the skin and helps with aging skin, and it makes the skin appear not so dull and just more youthful looking and radiant. It also will allow any product you put on afterwards to get right into the skin and to penetrate deeper, even if it's a drugstore product. So a little of this goes a long way. This bottle lasts a really long time, so always ease into it. Use less at first. You can always rinse and neutralize at any time with some water, but some people do put this onto their skin and then leave it on for up to 10 minutes and then apply their next product. A lot of people that use this product use our vitamin C serums, so they would apply the vitamin C serum next. So I'm going to show you now how they use it. You can either use a round cotton like this or a 2x2 cotton like this, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to apply about 10 drops of the Lactic Brightening Treatment to a 2x2. I prefer these, which you get at the drugstore, but you can use the cotton. A lot of customers use these. So whatever, it doesn't really matter. Just know that the more you apply, the more layers you apply, the more exfoliation is going to occur and the more brightness is going to occur. So if you're dealing with pigmentation or acne or something, if you keep layering and keep adding and keep dabbing and keep putting it onto the skin, you're going to get more activity and more dryness and more exfoliation, which is kind of what you want, because you want the top layer of your skin to really kind of come off in a safe way, in a gentle way, so that the skin on the surface looks really tight and bright and healthy looking and also more youthful looking. I'm going to apply 10 drops to my 2x2. It's about 1/4 of amount on the cotton like this. It's really wet. And then I'm going to apply it to my forehead and both sides of my cheek and my nose. And what I do is I apply it 4 times, 4 passes, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then make sure I get my temple area, and I apply 1, 2, 3, 4 on one side, and then 1, 2, 3, 4 on the other side, and then I dab a little on the chin and then a little bit on here, and then I allow that to absorb. If you feel very advanced and you're really hardcore with exfoliation, you can also press more into the skin. The more you add into the skin, more dryness and exfoliation will occur, but more results you'll get. But you also will get more stimulation and sensitivity. So it just depends on you and what you want and what your goal is. You shouldn't rub it into the skin. It can cause a little bit of dryness and scabbing, and that's not really what you want. It won't hurt your skin, but it's really not the best way to introduce an acid into your skin. Once that absorbs into your skin, now you're going to apply another few drops, and now you're going to apply another 4 passes. 1, 2, 3, and 4, and then 1, 2, 3, and 4. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Chin, nose, and then I'm going to spot treat a little bit on my eye here, a little bit on my eye here, and a little bit more on my forehead. I'm just going to dab it in. I don't want to waste anything on here. But at any time, if you're sensitive, rinse. But most people can tolerate it for 3 to 10 minutes, depending on your sensitivity, depending if you've ever used an acid like this. Just because it's a 10% doesn't mean it's like a lot of the other 10% on the market. It's formulated in such a way that the pH is pretty low, so you're getting a really good quality, concentrated lactic acid that's going to give you results. That's what I care about. That's what I think you care about, is getting results. But always be safe. Be cautious. Make sure you wear sunscreen. You can moisturize your skin a little bit more during the next couple days after you use the treatment. But if you allow this to absorb into your skin for 10 minutes, you should be fine. And then you apply your next product, which would be usually a vitamin C serum or whatever it is that is in your ritual that you love using after you exfoliate your skin. Of course, when using this product, always make sure that you're wearing sunscreen and reapply that sunscreen, and know that you can become more sensitive to the sun and you can become more sensitive to all products afterwards because you're exfoliating your skin so beautifully. So just use less, ease into them, even if that's a retinoid. You can definitely use a retinol with this product, but just be cautious because it's going to go right into the skin. So maybe use it less or use it less frequently, just so that you're safe and that you get the best results without having your skin just feel too sensitive. If you have any questions, you can email us at Cody@montarboskincare.com. Thank you so much for your trust and support, and I will see you really soon in a new video, and remember to always stay gorgeous.